This is me Suhani
And this is me Dhanisha. We are from SKV Vidyashram, Namakkal. Welcome you all. Okay Suhani, you might be thinking that why we are here?
I know Tanisha. Let me disclose it please.
Yes, you can.
Thank you Tanisha. So dear friends, SKV Vidyashram organized night camp on 3rd and 4th November. Let us share the interesting fun activities like musical chair,
Balloon bursting,
archery,
fashion show,
tug of war,
pottery making,
cooking without fire,
movie.
last but not the least, campfire.
Suhani, you have forgotten something.
What I have forgotten?
Child artist is going to join with us.
A child artist
Yes, Suhani.
in the campfire?
Yes.
Wow! I would like to say that this campfire is full of dance
Music
and funny. The next day morning, students departure from the school.
by saying goodbye to